So I watched this movie, The Drama, starring Robert Pattinson and Zendaya. And actually, it was the only reason I watched this movie because उसमें Zendaya and Robert Pattinson थे, literally two of my most favorite actors. And I have so many thoughts on this movie. The movie का plot was already very so-so. I think पूरी movie एक short movie हो सकती थी. इतना exaggerate करने की तो कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं थी. But starting from the start, okay, everybody looks for kindness and empathy in their partners, and I think everybody should, which was Robert Pattinson के character का whole piece, because he thought कि Zendaya is such a emotional, kind and empathetic girl, and then उसका वो पूरा shatter हो जाता है the moment she tells him कि उसने बचपन में mass shooting का सोचा था in her childhood because she was bullied, and उसका पूरा world crumble करने लगता है, and उसका पूरा procedure दिखाया है कि how his thinking changes over time, but it was never her fault, right? You never asked if she was bullied as a kid. मतलब you have been in a relationship for 3 years and you did not know such a big part of her. उसका trauma कितना बड़ा होगा ये वाला. So it's थोड़ा सा on him, okay. And then वो जो चार लोग बैठे थे कितने horrible थे. Okay, Rachel and the other guy, I don't even remember his name. Rachel, I believe, killed that kid, okay, because the first reaction जब when she tells the story and सब लोग पूछते हैं कि so what happened, so she says I don't know. And then जब उसका सबका reaction देख के she changes her mind, so I'm pretty sure that kid died, and which is actually because what Zendaya thought उसने सिर्फ सोचा था, but उसने तो कर दिया वो, ठीक है. But anyways, अगर Zendaya के कैरेक्टर के साथ भी जो दिखाया गया, अगर वो मास शूटिंग दूसरे मॉल में नहीं हुई होती तो she would have gone ahead with it, okay. So Zendaya का कैरेक्टर is also not that redeemable, but at least she's trying, right? But Charlie का character, because he puts himself on this social up ground and moral high ground, so he becomes pura, he goes into this thought process ki if she's kind, empathetic and all that bullshit, and then he goes on to cheat on her with apni hi acquaintance, okay, which was bizarre, because see, that girl also had a boyfriend. What he did, he forced himself on her, but what she did was even worse. She turned around and lifted her skirt up. Okay, girl, like you do have a boyfriend. And then इसके बाद जब मूवी का शादी वादी हो जाती है, वो एम्बैरस हो जाती है, एंड लास्ट में जाके दोनों वापस मिल जाते हैं. दैट वाज आल्सो नॉट समथिंग दैट आई गॉट. मतलब व्हाई वुड यू गो बैक टू द पर्सन जिसने, मतलब लाइक इट विल कम अप अगेन, राइट? इन 1 week or 2 weeks अगेन इट विल कम अप. But anyways, it's a movie and I liked it, so I would give it 3 stars out of 5. But I truly believe it should have been a short film, shorter than this review.